Hello, fellow explorers. Welcome to the Trendsetters. You've come to the perfect place if you're a newbie trying to enter the world of digital assets, or an experienced investor looking to improve your methods. Our channel is intended to offer you useful information and expert assistance as you navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency market. We can help you with anything from comprehending blockchain technology to discovering interesting initiatives, managing risk, and staying up to date on the newest developments. Join our community of cryptocurrency lovers as we uncover the secrets to profitable cryptocurrency investing. But before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. We will make more videos on interesting topics in the future, so if you want to see them, subscribe to our channel. Grab some paper and a pen, because you won't want to miss these insightful ideas. Come on, let's get started. Number 1. Understand the basics of cryptocurrency. Understanding the foundations of cryptocurrencies is vital when getting into crypto investments. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that leverage blockchain technology. They differ from traditional currencies and assets as they operate in a decentralized fashion, independent of any central authority. Familiarize yourself with crucial terminologies, including wallets, exchanges, and public and private keys. Learn how blockchain technology works, as it is the basic foundation of cryptocurrencies. Recognize that each cryptocurrency serves a specific function and has distinct features. By grasping these principles, you will be better equipped to navigate the world of cryptocurrency investments and make informed decisions based on your comprehension of this unique digital asset class. Number 2. Conduct thorough research. When investing in Bitcoin, it is critical to conduct extensive research. Examine the project's white paper, team members, and experience before investing. Examine market trends, historical price changes, and the project's potential for growth. Keep up with the latest news and regulatory changes. By conducting extensive research, you can obtain a better understanding of the project's basics and make more educated decisions. Avoid depending simply on rumors or hype. Look for trustworthy sources, join communities, and participate in conversations. Thorough research assists you in identifying potential investments, while lowering the risk of fraud or fake projects. Remember that in the ever-changing world of Bitcoin investing, information is power. Number 3. Diversify your portfolio. When investing in cryptocurrencies, it is critical to diversify your portfolio. You can decrease the danger of over-reliance on a single asset by spreading your assets among multiple cryptocurrencies. Consider investing in both established cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, and promising ventures with great growth potential. Diversification allows you to capitalize on many possibilities, while also protecting your investments from the volatility of specific assets. Remember that the cryptocurrency market is volatile, and diversifying your portfolio might provide a more balanced approach, boosting your chances of long-term success. Number 4. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is a critical part of successful Bitcoin investing. It's crucial to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and build a plan to reach those objectives. Avoid being persuaded by short-term price swings or falling into the fear of missing out, FOMO. Instead, focus on identifying your investment horizon and risk tolerance. Number 5. Practice risk management. Risk management. It is critical to execute appropriate risk management measures while investing in cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, with prices fluctuating rapidly. Set firm stop-loss orders to prevent potential losses and safeguard your money. Consider diversifying your portfolio to spread your risks among multiple cryptocurrencies. Avoid investing more than you can afford to lose. Keep up with market movements and news, and be ready to adjust your plans as needed. Number 6. Stay updated with news and trends. In cryptocurrency investing, keeping up with news and trends is critical. The cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile, so staying informed can help you make better investment decisions. To receive current updates, follow credible sources, join relevant communities, and subscribe to newsletters. Keep an eye out for changes in market attitude, legislative developments, and technical breakthroughs. You can spot rising opportunities and potential threats by being informed. Remember that news events and sentiment movements can have an impact on the cryptocurrency market. Number 7. Embrace long-term thinking. It is critical to adopt a long-term perspective while investing in cryptocurrencies. While the enticement of immediate rewards is appealing, experienced investors recognize the value of patience and endurance. In the near term, cryptocurrency markets can be quite volatile, with prices fluctuating rapidly. You can ride out the market's ups and downs by focusing on long-term growth potential and sound fundamentals. Allow projects to evolve and mature over time, as some may take months or even years to attain their full potential. Adopting long-term thinking allows you to make better educated judgments, avoid rash actions, and position yourself for long-term gains in the volatile world of cryptocurrency investing. Number 8. Secure your investments. When it comes to Bitcoin, protecting your investments is critical. To store your assets, use hardware wallets or secure software wallets. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your accounts and be wary of phishing scams. Back up your recovery phrase or private keys in a safe place. Update your software on a regular basis and use strong, unique passwords. Avoid disclosing sensitive information online or through untrustworthy sources. Be cautious of any strange links or websites. Follow industry guidelines and stay up to date on the newest security practices. By adopting these safeguards, you may greatly limit the chance of unauthorized access to your cryptocurrency holdings and protect your money. Number 9. Learn from mistakes and adapt. Learning from mistakes and adapting are critical components of cryptocurrency investing success. Recognize that losses and blunders are inevitable parts of the learning process. Instead of concentrating on them, examine what went wrong and learn from it. Recognize patterns, review your investment decisions, and adjust your methods as needed. Keep an open mind to fresh information and alter your strategy when market conditions change. Flexibility and the capacity to learn from your mistakes will aid in the development of your investment skills over time. Remember that the cryptocurrency industry is dynamic and ever-changing. Adopt a growth attitude, strive for constant improvement, and use your prior experiences to make better judgments in the future. Number 10. Seek professional advice. Seeking professional assistance while investing in cryptocurrencies can have a major impact. The cryptocurrency market can be complicated and volatile, and experienced advice can help you navigate it more confidently. Financial advisors or cryptocurrency specialists can provide important insights, analyze market patterns, and provide personalized recommendations based on your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Their knowledge can assist you in making better-informed investment selections and potentially increasing your returns, while conducting your own research is crucial. Consulting professionals can bring a layer of knowledge and experience that can be invaluable in the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency investing. Thank you for joining us on our journey through the world of Bitcoin investing. We hope that the tips and tricks offered in this video have provided you with helpful insights and strategies to boost your investment approach. Remember, investing in crypto needs knowledge, study, and a disciplined approach. Stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and constantly exercise risk management as the crypto market continues to evolve. Remain versatile and open to learning from your experiences. We wish you luck and wealth in your crypto investment pursuits. So that's all for today's video. We hope this video has been informative. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Trendsetters. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.